Good morning. Today I'll be teaching you real national income and nominal national income. What is the difference between the real national income and nominal national income? This is a concept from macroeconomics, and in this we will study about the national income, how it is evaluated or how it is calculated. When national income is calculated on the basis of current year prices, it is known as nominal national income. And when national income is calculated on the basis of base year price, a particular year is selected as base year, and value of goods and services produced in the current year is evaluated or calculated on the prices which was prevailing in the base year, then it is called real national income. There is a concept of nominal national income and there is a concept of real national income. Real national income actually shows real picture of the economy because it is not inflated by the price, because sometimes it is possible that prices of the commodity have increased and national income has increased because of increase in the price, even though production of goods and services have not increased. That we can study here. I'll share the screen to show you something. Let us go to the concept of real national income. Real national income is also known as national income at constant prices. From the name, it is very clear. It is national income at constant prices means the value of goods and services produced in the current year is evaluated on the prices of base year. The base year price is taken to calculate national income. Production of goods and services are done. For example, goods and services produced in 2020, if they are evaluated on base year price, a year which is taken by the government as base year, which is should be a normal year, if value of goods and services produced in 2020 is evaluated on the prices of base year, then it is called real national income, or it is also known as national income at constant prices. Real national income or national income at constant prices is affected only by one factor, and that is change in production or change in output. If output will increase, if production will increase, national income will increase. If production will decrease, national income will decrease because price remains constant here. Price is not changing. Real national income actually shows real development of the country, how much development has taken place, whether more goods and services are produced or less goods and services are produced. The year more goods and services are produced, national income will increase. The year in which less goods and services will be produced, national income will decrease because price is not at all affecting here. Price remains constant. This type of calculation helps in international comparison or year-wise comparison in change in output, how much production, whether the production has increased or decreased. National income will increase whenever production of goods and services will increase. National income will decrease whenever production of goods and services will decrease. Here we have one example. You see, in the year 2000, production was 1000 quintal and price was rupees 5. So national income was 5,000. In 2005, the production has increased to 2,000. Price is taken as constant because we are taking base year price rupees 5. So national income has increased to 10,000. In year 2010, production has decreased drastically to 500, whereas price is again same 5 rupees. So national income has declined to 2,500. From this example, it is very clear that the year in which production is increasing, national income is increasing. The year in which production is decreasing, national income will decrease. So it is affected here real national income or national income at constant price. National income is affected only by one factor, that is output or production of goods and services. Price do not affect it because price is taken as constant. Let us go to another terminology or topic, that is nominal national income. Nominal national income is also known as national income at current prices. From the name, you can understand the current prices means the prevailing price, the price of goods and services in the prevailing year, the current year. If goods and services produced in a country are evaluated at current year price, at prevailing price, then the national income is called nominal national income or national income at current prices. Nominal national income is affected by two factors: change in price and change in output. Price and output both are affecting it. Sometime national income will increase, nominal national income will increase only and only due to increase in price. Production has not at all increased. Whenever price will increase, national income will increase or inflate. Nominal national income is called deceptive because it may increase or inflate due to increase in price even though production has decreased or has remained constant. As in the example, you can see in the year 2010, production has decreased to 500, whereas price has increased to rupees 20. So national income has increased to 10,000, even though in other year production was more than this, that was 1,000, more than 500, that was 1,000. National income was low because of less price. So two factors are affecting nominal national income: output as well as price. Keep it in your mind, nominal national income is affected by two factors: production as well as prices, because prices are changing. And sometimes nominal national income increases because of increase in price, not because of increase in output. Whereas real national income is affected only by one factor, that is output. So real national income shows the true picture of an economy, and nominal national income can be deceptive because it may not show the real picture of the economy. National income in money terms may increase because of increase in the price only, because current price has increased. This can happen for nominal national income. Thank you very much.